Hello, and welcome to Meso One.
We are a team of people working for you to bring you daily first-hand information so you can make the smartest, safest, sound investments possible. I am your host, Ramon, and today we will be bringing you the daily recap of the OTC market. With that being said, let's jump right into it.
AAP Inc., ticker symbol AAPJ, finished Friday at the high of the day after another session of continued buying of the bottom chart setup we alerted previously. This one continues to be a massive winner for the Meso One Mafia. As stated in our previous two market recaps, the Meso One Mafia was able to snag as low as 002 during the massive dump out last week. Per the chart setup, we see an even further continued move is expected this week. A test of 006 will mark a 300% gain for many of the Meso One Discord members. We're always searching for the next big runner, and we don't think this one is over quite yet. Aqua Power System Inc., ticker symbol APSI, updated their corporate share structure over the weekend, now reflecting 0 restricted shares per the security details. This is an extremely bullish update in our opinion, and we believe this update, coupled with the mentioned bottom bounce setup, could cause APSI to run big this week. Our confidence level is high here. We will go into detail on the chart setup at the end of this video. NUWE Inc., ticker symbol NUWE. Not much action worth mentioning Friday. We continue to wait for yet another bounce off the $7 range. If we see this support fail, we may be looking at new lows forming. With that being said, this ticker generally sees a nice price increase every time the company puts out news. It's been a week since the last release, so picking up lows could provide another nice bounce opportunity on a thinly traded stock. If you're an active trader, this one should be on your watch list. American Biomedica Corp., ticker symbol ABMC, was alerted by the Meso One Mafia on Thursday as a potential mover for the coming week. Sure enough, action end of day Friday continued, closing ABMC near the high of the day on increased daily volume. This one was in deeply oversold territory last week. We're expecting this bounce to continue throughout the week. Watch for the volume uptick. The share structure here is very thin considering the price action we witnessed off last week's bottom setup. AAPJ closing up 6.56%. Opening price 1.3 cents. Closing price 1.9 cents. What a winner. Multiple massive green days persist. The best part is AAPJ still has room to move on the daily chart. We're expecting a test of resistance near 1 cent sometime this week. Keep an eye out for that zone to present. If we see 1 cent test, that will mark a 600% move for the Meso One Mafia. APSI closing up 5.55%. Opening price 29.4 cents. Closing price 30.61 cents. The chart looks ready for a bounce. The Meso One Mafia has been alerting this area as a potential bounce zone all week. The cancellation of restricted shares over the weekend is extremely bullish and should mark the start to the bounce we've been waiting for. We believe this will be a very green week for APSI. NUWE closing down 3.62%. Opening price $7.26. Closing price $7.18. As mentioned prior, we're awaiting a bounce off the $7 support zone. Watch for news sometime this week. Any release, even semi-positive, should cause a short-lived bounce to the $9 zone. ABMC closing up 71.56%. Opening price 1.3 cents. Closing price 1.9 cents. ABMC is set to test of recent support at 2.5 cents sometime this week. If this area breaks, we could see 3-cent shares execute shortly after. This one moves on absolute air due to the very small share structure. If you're not already watching this one, add it to your watch list. Next week should be explosive if volume persists. It's worth noting the Meso One Mafia alerted this one last week at 1 cent. We're almost up 100% and looking at even more green coming this week.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of our daily recap. We work hard to bring you this valuable information, and if you enjoyed it, do us a favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. This is Ramon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All information given on this channel is solely our opinion and is not professional financial advice.